Hello, I wanted to share how grateful I am for the experience of working with Erica. I sought her out because I had been coaching for a little bit and had a couple clients, but I really wanted to get clear on what my unique offering was going to be and really understanding the business foundations, which I hadn't really had. I was trained in psychology and I was not trained in how to build a business around that. And so Erica really helped me take things to the next level. And through our time working together, I built out my signature program around uncovering your purpose, and I tripled the amount of clients that I had since I started working with her, and I hit my monthly income goal of 4K at the time, which is so exciting. And honestly, the best part of working with Erica is her vibrant, positive energy that she brings into the space. Like every time we entered a Q&A call, I was just excited to be in her presence. I knew she was going to bring a new insight. She really always goes the extra mile to make things fun and different, and I really appreciate that. And if a friend were considering working with her, I would probably tell them to freaking go for it because she is awesome. She is such a bright, shining light to have in your corner, especially at the beginning of your business growth journey. And I don't know where I would be without having had her.